What's up people, this is Gaurav. At the starting of this tutorial you saw a video and I have used a transition called RGB bloom. So today I am going to teach you how to make this transition, and also I will provide you a free preset so that you don't have to work too much. But before that I will teach you how to make it so that you can customize it in the future. Let's move on to Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I have already imported the audio and video files in my timeline. Let's get started making the transition. To make the transition we need to cut 10 frames from each side of the clips. So let's get to the center of this clip. So this is the joint where the clip changes. Now I will have to cut 10 frames from each side. So I will just press shift left. So shift left means it will go 5 frames at one time. So if I press 2 times it will go 10 frames. So this is 10 frames here. Now I will cut here. Again I will move to center and press shift right. Now I will cut here. Now what we have to do is select these two clips and nest it and enter. Now we will need two effects for the transition. The first effect is levels. For levels we will type here in the effects panel levels. You can see inside the video effects folder there is adjust, and under this there is levels. We need this effect and we will just pull it here and drop it here. You see the effect has been imported. Now we also need another effect. The second effect is called channel blur. So now we will type here channel blur. You can see under the blur and sharpen folder there is channel blur. So we will just pull it here and drop it here. Now these two effects have been imported. We will change the parameters. So first we will select a nested clip and we will go at the center of this clip. We will press shift left. So this is the center, this is where it joins. Okay, so now we will need to toggle animation here. We will press this button and this will make a keyframe here, and we will change this value to 117. See, there is an effect here, and we will change the beginning of this clip to default value, and at the end of this clip we will change to default value. The default value is 255. So now you can see there is already an effect here. Okay, to make this effect more better we will now go to the channel blur option. Here again we will select this nested clip and we will go to the center, and now we will make one keyframe for red and one keyframe for blue. We'll change the red value to 300 and we'll change the blue value to 20. Now similarly like we did before, we will have to change the value to 0 at the very beginning and at the very end. That is the default value. So we'll go at the beginning of this nested clip and press reset. This is the reset button, and again we will click here reset. Now we will again go at the end of this nested clip and we will again do the same thing. We'll press reset. You can see all this turns to 0. Now your transition is done. Let's play and watch. See, that's how it is done. Now again if you want to use the transition here, we will have to do the same thing. We will press shift left and we will cut here, and again we will go shift right. We will cut here. We will have to nest this clip. Now we will have to import two effects. We will have to change the parameters, and we have to do a lot of work. So to make it easier for you, I have already made a preset. All you need to do is just import it and apply it here. So let me show you how to import it and apply here. For that you need to go to the presets menu and right click and press import presets. Once you click the import preset button, you will see a dialog box opens up. Generally your preset will be in your downloads folder as you have just downloaded it, but since I have kept it in a different folder, I have opened this location. Now all I have to do is click this file and press open. Now my preset has been imported here. All I need to do is click here and press RGB bloom. You can see my preset has been imported, GC RGB bloom 20 frames. See, there is no effect. All I have to do is now is click here and drag and drop, and if I press play, you can see the preset has been applied. Now similarly if I have to do here, all I have to do is shift left cut, shift right cut. Now just nest this and drag and drop. Let me play here. See, the preset has been applied and you have the transition. To make it look even more better, we can use this audio effect. This is the whoosh effect. We'll just pull it here and drop it here. You can find this audio in the download link. Now we will just go here, adjust this, and I will just change the volume to -2. We'll use the shortcut we learned in the previous video, minus. You can see it has decreased to -2 dB. I will just copy it here and here. I copied it by holding the Alt button. Now let me just play and watch. See, it's that simple. All you have to do is download my preset, import it and apply it. So that's it people, that's how you make the RGB bloom transition. To download the preset, you can check the first link in the description, and once you download it, you can simply import and use it. That's it for today. Thank you and keep it rolling.